Hello students, today I am going to discuss about friend operator overloading. Friend operator overloading. Okay. Now think about the situation when we need to access a private member of more than one classes. And say for example, I am going to compare two classes member function, and that member functions are private. So in that case, we need the friend operator function. Okay, let's take an example. Okay, say for example, we have a class box. Okay, and another class cube. Okay, two classes we have. One is class box and another class is cube. Now we need to check the box is cube or not, whether the box is cube or not. Okay, I am taking this private member as, say, L1, B1, H1. Okay, and for this one is I am taking L2, B2 and H2. If I am taking, because in case of cube we no need to take all these things, we just need one side. Say I am taking side 1, and if all of these are equal, as well as if it is equal with this, then we can say that this cube object is same with the box object. Okay, if first of all, if L1, B1, H1 are equal, that time we can say yes, the box is cubical shape. And if this one is same as the side, so now we can say that the cube object is same as the box object. Okay, for doing this I am taking the value, I am writing cout, enter values, C in L1, B1, H1. Okay, and I am going to write that friend return type, the operator equal, and the argument will be written. Here I have decided to write this one as the return type will be boolean, and argument will be, one will be box object and another will be, that means one will be box type and another will be cube type. Box, cube. Okay. Similarly, here I am writing cube cout and again I am writing the same function because here this equal operator will actually works on this friend. Function signature will remain same. Operator equal box cube. Okay. As we know, the friend function cannot be defined within the class. This lecture is already given. You can see this. So here we have to define it outside of the class. Okay. So I am defining it. Here I am going to define it. Return type, operator, box B1 and cube C1. Make it caps, otherwise we may get confused with this one. So here I am giving box B1 and cube C1. First check if L1 equal B1 equal H1. If both of these are all of these are same, and you can check any one. So I am writing L1 equal side, sorry, as it is a friend function. As it is a friend function, you cannot directly access the member of it because friend function is not the member of this class. So you have to access it through the object. Okay, better to write it in another place. I am going to define the function. Operator box B1 cube C1. We have to access every members with this object. So if B1 dot L1 equal B1 dot B1 equal B1 dot H1, and you can check any of it. So I am writing B1 dot L1 equal C1 dot side. Okay. Now return true, else return false. Here. Now how can you call it in main? Now I am going to write main, int main. First object will be created, say box OB1, and you know that in constructor I have already written the code in such a way you can take the value of L1, B1 and H1, and cube C1 you can also take the value of side. Next, if OB1 equal C1, see this function. You are using the operator function, and according to the definition, if this will be executed properly, it will return true. So if it is true, that means if you are getting true, so you can write cout equal else if at least any of this, that means either this one or this one is false. So you will not get the true result, you will get the false. And so here the if statement will not be executed, the else statement will be executed not. So this is one of the example of friend operator overloading. Remember, in case of friend operator overloading, the friend is not the member function. That's why here the equal operator is binary operator, but you have to pass two arguments here because this is not the member function. You can also make this operator as member operator function. You can also make it, and that time no need to pass two arguments explicitly. You can pass one argument and one will be implicitly passed. But here, as I make the equal operator as friend, that time you have to pass two arguments because this is a binary operator, and this one is not the member function. Friend is not the member function. Hope you understand. Please inform me if you have any problem. Bye.